Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are filming this gorgeous red eye makeup look. Don't worry, I didn't include just eye, I also include the rest of my face. Today is my birthday. It's April 2nd. I am 21 years old. I hope that you guys enjoy this makeup tutorial, and without that further ado, let's get started because I want to see this look. Let's go. I look like if I just woke up. Today I am trying something. I'm always trying something new, so today I'm trying the sample that Sephora sent me. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. I've seen some people that I follow love it, so I'm gonna try it. Okay, too much moisturizer. Let's try this primer. It's so tiny, you guys. I think this will last me for like a month, maybe 3 weeks if I use it constantly. Because I always like to go all out and I like to use a little bit of my different primers. Oh, this reminds me of something. This texture. It reminds me of like a cream or something. Oh my god. It feels like the Benefit Cosmetics The Professional Primer. It's like that texture. It's like a matte. It feels weird, but I like it. We'll see how it goes and how it sets with foundation and concealer and with baking, you know. Alright, I'm gonna take a flat brush. You want to use this red intense color from the JACLYN Hill palette. I don't know how it's called, but I will leave it somewhere. And no concealer. I'm actually not gonna put concealer on this one. I'm gonna blend it all together, and I'm not gonna leave it like this matte. I'm gonna go for pop of color. Today is April 2nd, which means it's my birthday. I'm officially 21 and it feels weird to say it because it feels weird. What color do I put on my inner corners? I don't know, you guys. I think I'm gonna go for pop of this white goldish color that is on the JACLYN Hill palette. Okay guys, this is the completed look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this look. I don't know, I kind of want to call it like a red look, you know, because it's red, it's all red. Overalls on the primer, I mean, my face looks really good. So I have to say, I like it. I'm gonna keep testing it out and see, you know. I will see you guys on my next video. And also, I've been seeing a lot of your birthday wishes, like thank you for all the birthday wishes and everything. I've seen them and I'm gonna try and answer them all today. If I take long, I'm sorry, it's just a lot of people. I have almost 200 subscribers and I'm already receiving over between 30 and 50 birthday wishes today. And it's only 10 a.m. So yeah, I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.